everyone, Bubbly Toybox here.
Mommy and Desiree.
With Mommy and Desiree. And we have Hairdorables. We've got a Hairdorables shortcut here, and it's like a little sister.
Yeah.
And then we have 2 BFF packs that come with HairDUDEables.
Yeah.
So, which one do you want to do first, Daz? We're gonna do this one? Okay. So here we have an exclusive rain. Alright, Daz, go ahead and pull.
Okay.
And we're opening it up. Alright, here's a little stage. Looks like a high school. Cool. Alright, number 1. Go ahead and pull that down, Daz. Oh, cool. We get stands. Nice.
I need scissors.
We need scissors? No, you don't. There's a tear spot right here. See? Whoop. And I'm going to open up number 2. Another stand. Oh, there's more stuff in here. Oh, extra pieces to the stand, I see. Huh. What did you get, Daz? We got skates. Oh!
Whoa.
So these don't really stay open. There's something right here. Now you do that, and I'll show them the skates. So here are the skates. Very cool. Let's see. Here's the card for Rain. It says nickname Racing Rain. Hobby, go-kart racing, BFF Logan. We got a medal. Looks like we got suntan lotion, a medal,
and a sticker.
And stickers. Cool. All right, let's do number 3.
Yeah, let's do number 3.
There you go. And then I'll open number 4.
Let's do number...
Let's open these up first. Oh! Oh, cool. I like a trophy.
Mama, you do that one. I do that one.
Okay, hang on. We have like a satellite. And... hang on, Des. Ooh, a helmet. And then here's a sticker. And then let's see who our dude is. Oh, he's stuck in there.
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead, Des. Oh, cool. Oh, look at his hair.
What's it?
It's blue and green. Very cool.
Look.
Yeah. So his hair is so cool. I love the colors. And look at his outfit. Awesome. So this is Logan. His nickname is Lock and Logan. His hobby is rollerblading. His claim to fame is boardwalk blading. Cool. So let's open up. It looks like these pop out. Oh, cool, Dad. Look, it's like a pop out. Very cool. So let's open up Rain now. So here's Racing Rain. Look at how cute her hair is. These little braids. Her hair's in little buns. So cute. Love it. And her boots are different sizes. One's like a track, the other one's like a checker flag. That's so cool. Awesome. Ooh. So I'm gonna put that here. Did you put, are you putting them on? I'm gonna put her on her stand. Helmet. Cool. And here's Rain with his helmet and on a stand and stuff. Okay, let's do the next one, yeah? Oh, he's falling. He doesn't want to stay on. Alright, next one. This is DeeDee. So let's see who we get with DeeDee. Do number one.
I'm gonna do number one.
All right, go ahead.
Okay.
Here's the stand.
And I got.
Oh, that's separate. Wait, number two's right here. Oh, let's see. This is also a high school place. More stands. Uh-oh. Here it is. So here's the number two. Here, you open that one.
And I got.
Uh-oh. Here's the shoes. We've got some loafers. Oops. Number three.
Sticker.
We got some stickers. Yeah, and then it looks like what is this, Des? A hat?
No.
What is it?
Whistling.
Huh? Yeah.
I want to do number
4.
4.
Another sticker. Ooh.
Oh.
With some food, like a cheese board. There's some celery, crackers, and cheese. On the back side, looks like a menu. Cool. Oh, got it, Des?
Where I got. Oh, 2 glasses.
You got cute. Those are really cool glasses.
Oh.
Some glasses. All right.
Ice cream.
Oh, an ice cream. That is a really big ice cream.
And
Okay, let's see who we get.
stop.
All right, right here, Des. Oh. Oh, cool.
Look. Look at his hair.
I know, it's curly. He's got red hair. Huh.
Here is.
Very cool.
Look at his outfit.
Yeah, he's got pizza on his shirt and some flames on his pants.
Let's
Here.
put his stats.
I'll put his shoes on. Yeah?
I put his glasses.
Good. Put his glasses on.
on.
What is this, though? Oh, it's an apron. I see.
Glasses.
Here. You got it? That's good, baby. Here. This is an apron. Uh-oh. He dropped his ice cream. So this is Snack Attack Max. His hobby is food vlogging. His motto is more cheese, please. And there's his violet right there. Very cool. And then let's get DeeDee out. So here is DeeDee. I love her hair. She's got 3 buns and she's got long pigtails, and her outfit reminds me of ice cream. So cute. And her info says nickname DeeDeeZert, motto there's always room for dessert, BFF Max. So cool. So let's do our little one that we got back here, the shortcuts one. Okay, so before we get to this one, we're gonna look at the collector's guide. So here, it's Series 1 Hairdoables. And there's the 6 guys right there. Desiree's pointing out which one we got. And then here are the girls. Yeah, we got that one right there. Snack Attack Max.
Hey, Daddy.
That's the one we got. And now, Desiree, we can do the Hairdorables shortcuts. All right, so let's peel it right here.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it when they all come off at one time. Oh,
Whoa.
collector's guide. Okay, so let's open up the top. You got it? Oh, there's number 1.
I got
here's the backdrop for her. What'd you get? Looks like a hair clip. Next one. Oh, hang on, we just skipped 2. There's 2. I'll do 3, okay?
I do number.
Wait, you gotta do 4 or 2 first. Oh, cute. We have some hair extension clips, it looks like. Little kitty cats. Very pretty color. Oh. What did you get? Oh, a little pet. How cute. It's a little pet. What else did you get? Oh, it's like a hair scrunchie. Very cute. It's got little bones all over it. Alright, Des, number 4. Go for it. Peel it. Right there. Nope, it doesn't come off. It just peel.
No.
Yeah, you just peel it right here.
No, no, no.
What? That's it, baby.
Open it.
That's it. This is our little sister. Oh, how cute.
She's so cute.
She is. And she's got roller skates on. And then the hair goes right in here. Aw. So cute.
Let me see that one.
Hmm? There we go. There's a stand in there. I saw a stand. Oh, the stand is right here.
Let me see.
And then you just put her right there. So cute.
Let me
Oh,
see.
turn her around though, because
Let me see that.
then the backdrop goes right here. I think. There we go. Are you looking? Hmm? Ah!
Let me see that.
Hmm?
Let me see.
Oh, I see. Okay, it goes on like that. Oh, cute. Here. So the backdrop and the stand, and then she goes right there.
Mom.
Oh, she's falling. Everything's falling apart.
Oh.
Everything's falling apart. She don't want to stay. All right, so we won't do the backdrop in her. Actually, we probably should because she doesn't want to stay on.
Oh. Perfect.
Okay, she doesn't want to stay. So I'm just gonna sit her right here then. Maybe she'll stay. There we go. Okay, so this is Robin. Favorite color is Robin's egg blue. Big sis is cat. Favorite activity, training her hamster. So here are the Hairdorables shortcuts. This is series 1.
Mom, where's this? Where's the cat?
And the cat, Desi. You mean this? So here's instructions on how to put her in the stand and put the background in as well. Very cute. I love DeeDee. DeeDee's my favorite. Desiree, you have a favorite? Hmm?
Oh.
Uh-oh. She is gonna fall. She doesn't want to stand very well in the stand. Maybe I'm not putting her on right.
Mom, let me put
Yeah, and then the background doesn't want to stay on as well either.
Mom.
But it's still very cute. I love Hairdorables. The hairs are so cute, and just the way they put them with the buns and the braids. It's not going to stay that way very long with Desiree, but it's still very cute. So thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.
Have a bubbly day. Bye.
Bye.